what's up? It's your girl Chanel Lynn, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Coco family, and if you're returning, welcome back. All right, y'all. So, of course, I'm dressed up. I had a little makeup on, you know, got my hair done and everything. I am actually heading out, y'all, to my cousin's baby shower. So, it is Memorial Day weekend. We're just going to start it right here, y'all, and then I'm going to just take y'all on whatever I do for the weekend. So, stay tuned.
Let's go.
All right.
You look like right now. All right. That's a big. Yes.
DJ Timmy. I don't know if it's DJ Timmy.
That's your slide.
My glasses off. Hey y'all, good morning. It is the next day, and I'm excited. Y'all can see that girl's in her bathing suit. Okay, play with it. Please don't. Anyways, y'all, so I am now heading to my mother's to drop my pop off. He's gonna be there for the day while we head out on a mini road trip. Y'all know I'm always going on somebody's city. If I ain't in my city, I'm in somebody's city or somebody's state. But we are doing a mini road trip, and by mini, it's a same day thing, so that's why it's mini. But yeah, you know, preparing for Memorial Day weekend or whatever. So there's that. I'm gonna let y'all see Elena in a little bit, and Gucci's getting so big, y'all. Can't wait for y'all to see him as well.
You don't know, baby, 'cause when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, yeah. And it don't change if I had it my way, 'cause you would know that you are.
All right, y'all, so I am back. We are situated. We're now in the car with Mo and the girls, and we're gonna go out and have us a nice Sunday fun day today. Say hey, Mo. Hey. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, and yeah, let's have some fun together. Hopefully y'all have a very good day and a successful week as well.
You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that.
Alright guys, I am here and we pulled up to Jersey Mike's, so we're gonna grab something to eat. We're also next to Jeremiah's as well. Let's go, y'all. Hey y'all, I don't even know if y'all can see me, but it is so freaking hot on this beach, y'all. But the sand, but we're here. Let's go, Zaddy. Oh God, it's so hot, y'all. So hot. Come on, babe. I can't do that heat, babe.
Yeah, that's the only thing when you get this early.
Oh my God. All right, y'all. So I don't know if y'all can see me, but I have a hat on. It's crazy out here, y'all. And we made it to the beach.
We're at the beach.
Say hi, Elena.
That's so funny.
y'all.
Just fill up with water. Don't.
It is chaotic right now, y'all, but I'm trying my best to get y'all content, okay? But baby, when I tell y'all it is hot, it is freaking hot. But it's beautiful out here. Hey y'all, so we are back from the beach. I had so much fun, got a little rest in, enjoyed the water, did my little 1-2 doggy paddle. How about you, Mo? You have fun?
Yeah, it was good. It was
That's
good.
awesome.
The sand was hard as hell though.
Yeah, oh my god, yes. Note to self, wear water shoes, because that sand told me Mo and the girls. But the girls have fun. So right now, y'all, we're heading out to go get something to eat. So I'm trying this from Dunkin'. It is a chai latte with 1 caramel swirl and 1 French vanilla swirl. And cold foam, sweet cold foam on top. Let me try it, y'all. Oh.
You guys, I just want to say that was a order from Mo. Because Chanel likes boring stuff, and I gave her something that knocked her socks off. You welcome.
This ain't boring. I like anything with caramel in there. Is me, baby. This is good. Here at Pollo, here's the menu. That's what we're getting. We are back from Pollo Tropical. And here we have my food. This is Elena's food. She just wanted corn and rice. And here's my food. It's corn, rice, crispy chicken, onions, peppers, and all that. So I'm gonna let y'all know how this is. I haven't had Pollo Tropical, oh Lord, in a little minute. So this is not the first official time ordering from them.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast. Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, mad snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived.
I always do, man. Go ahead. Take your time. Go, baby. What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna go ahead and start this vlog here. I don't know what it's gonna consist of, y'all, but just roll with me. It is Sunday. I am going to a day party in Miami, and it's kind of like a BYOB. You got to bring your own bottle, bring your own food, bring your own snacks, bring your own drinks, but they provide the table and all that stuff there. So that ought to be fun. That ought to be a vibe. I'm driving to my friend's house right now because we're just gonna carpool and go down there. So I'm gonna see what the vibes is, y'all. Hopefully we turn up, okay? I haven't gone to my brakes acting up. I haven't gone to a day party in Miami in a little minute, so let's just see, y'all. Hopefully I'm catching some good lighting. I haven't seen y'all in a little minute. All right, y'all. Well, I got cut off, so I'm back. The GPS is on, but anyways, y'all, I am now heading over to my friend's house. We are gonna carpool and we are heading to Miami. What's good, baby? It is summer, okay, y'all? Well, start of summer. So I'm gonna catch up with y'all. I'm gonna record the vibes for you, and like I said before, it's a BYOB. You bring everything, y'all. Bottles, bring your food, bring your blanket, bring everything, baby. All you gotta do is show up to the event. I'll see y'all soon.
you seeing me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more, I don't know.